Assalamu alaikum people. In today's R Studio video, I'll be discussing about QDA. QDA stands for quadratic discriminant analysis, which is a generative model. It assumes that each class follows a Gaussian distribution. So let's start up with the code. First of all, we'll include the library mass, which contains a QDA function, then the ISLR library for our data, and this time again we'll be using smarket as I have used smarket in my previous videos. Let's start the code. uh, let's run ISLR for our data. Now help smarket actually shows you all of the variables that are included in the smarket and what it represents. This is basically a description of the data set. Now let's train the S-market dataset before year 2005, and now let's test it, and it will show the dimensions of our dataset, which are equal to 252 and 9. Now let's see the direction. So this is a function. Basically it will pick dependent variables from this dataset called S-market. And now let's fit the QDA function. So what this fit will do, it would align the x and y axis of the data set. Let's run to see the results. As you can see, lag2 are aligned, and you can see the probability that 49% are down, 50.8% are up, which is equal to 100%. So this shows the whole situation of the S-market data. Now let's see the contrast up and down. Okay, let's write a code over here which will show us the, let's write plot QDA plot. Right. Okay, it doesn't take this variable, so yeah, sure. Let's run this. Okay, we've run that already. Contrast, yeah. This again is a function. Let me just remind you. Now the difference between this is that this was from QDA, and now I'm going to start the KNN just to see which results are better for us. Now let's run this about this. The table shows that 30% of our data in down direction is correct, and in up direction 121 are correct, while the discriminant of up down is equal to 20%. That means that the down has 20%, 20 different units that are not actually aligned with the down data, and there's 81 points that aren't aligned with the up data. Let's find out the mean. The mean is 59. Okay, again, library class, train. Now we are training for the KNN actually. So let's see. So this KNN fits up to 0.52, whereas where is it? Let me just write it out. It was 59%. So QDA is much better than KNN in this data set. KNN basically stands for the nearest neighbor. It selects the data set which is closest to the one that we are targeting. So that's it for the QDA and KNN video. And please do like, subscribe my videos, and do share my videos as well.